Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can locate your videos and the photos of the Xiaomi camera. So we have to open the Xiaomi camera right here, and next we have to click on these three dots in the right upper corner. And right now we have to go for the storage management, and as you can see we can find the album and the storage device. So the album are right here, and so that's are all the videos and photos that we save on our phone. And when you go for the storage device, as you can see right here, it's the memory card data. It's basically the real footage, all of the motions that were saved automatically by the camera. If you want to adjust this data, you can just simply click on it, and right now we are able to delete. So that's how you can make it. If you click and hold, there is no way to make one by one. You can just click right here in the right upper corner, and right now you are able to take them out of this device and click delete right here and confirm. The same when you try to make on your memory card. You can just click right here, select all of them, and then remove. If you want to change any memory card settings, you can just open it right here, and in this place you can simply adjust. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.